figured, why not just make a video while I'm preparing my healthy snack? Because ideally, I would have my best friend ever here to kind of do this with me. Taking a banana. And this. Never tried it before, ever. But I really need to get some new ideas about proper nourishment without anything else. You know, like, I just cannot with the meat and dairy. I cannot with the gluten. I cannot with the GMOs. I will not. But that doesn't leave a lot of options. I mean, like, really, it really does not leave a lot of options. So I eat a lot of bean-based foods, like lentil soup. You know, stuff like that. See, now, if I had a best friend here, just hand it in, he'd open it, and like, oh, you're so cute, thank you. As you can tell, I'm working on manifesting a new reality. I think I'm going to have to use a knife. This is so dangerous. Just open freaking peanut butter. Jeez, almond butter. Why do I video record myself? Showing precise reasons as to why, exactly why probably nobody wants to deal with me. No, but I shouldn't say that. That's not self-love. I'm going to have to, like... Okay. That's not a healthy thing to do. Or good for your teeth. Or ladylike. But, you know, what are you going to do? There's no one here to care. No one here to care for me. So... I'm definitely wanting more of a soft daddy dom type boyfriend, not a vanilla, and definitely not anybody mean or impatient. Cannot do that yet, because I'm really, really healing and growing, and I cannot have anyone around me who's going to halt that or throw a wrench in it or hurt me. But I would love a caring, sweet soulmate to, you know, be there when I need. I've been wanting to get into this now for like 4 days. Literally. It's not a freaking twist off. Look at this. It's got this thing on it, and I'm gonna slice my freaking finger. So I can't even. Like, I wanted to drizzle some on my berries. Banana berries, whatever. I think that would be the best little pop of cherry, but like... These are the reasons why being single makes me sad. And I'm just trying to get by. And there's not even a fucking fork. There's a million knives, a million spoons, butter knives, and baby silverware. Well, I guess since I'm such a baby, I'll just use the fucking baby silverware. I do need the best boyfriend ever, sweet, soft daddy dom, to just take care of me and fix me my snacks and open the jars and cuddle me. That's what I need. And I'm not going to apologize for needing that or wanting that. Now I gotta go find a freaking plastic fork.